Good evening, friends. Welcome to another video of Marketprofileengineer. So, as always, I tell this is just an educational video when I'm recording my emotions and mindset while trading. So, coming on to the trade, previous day was a downwards trend. So, the channel was going in a downward direction, but market opened on a gap up. Initially, and if Gift Nifty was showing around 1,000 points, and it opened almost a huge gap up around 300 points gap up was there. So I had worked previously checked the chart and I understood that it will form a red candle initially and will get an entry again. Only after that it will rally. So I had that in my mind, but due to some engage in the work, I was till 10 o'clock. I was not able to take a trade. Immediately while taking a trade also I was busy with my work, but by side I was taking a trade, so I accidentally ended at around 10 o'clock, considering it as a bullish trend, because even though I drawn the channel in a downward trend, somewhat that gap up caught in my mind and I thought it will be a bullish trend, so I took an entry over here when I got a divergence, but that was a fake, as our main trend was against it. So my initial trade, it went into a stop loss. So I was searching for another opportunity. So I realized that it is a downtrend. So I changed my view to a bearish view, and I was looking for an opportunity. But here also I made a mistake because I took an entry in this candle without waiting for a confirmation of a divergence. So what happened is that I took an entry at 10:18, and immediately in the next candle it reversed and my stop loss was hit. 30 point was there, but still that stop loss was hit and it rallied in my direction. So actually the entry was at this 2024 candle. I will just show you in the, here you can see this was a candle I took, but that was not a divergence was not there. So I took an entry for this candle. This candle. That's why it hit my stop loss, and that trade was also in a losing. But actually, this was a right entry, and after that, this could have been easily a very good target. Here you can see in the next three candle, I could have easily achieved my target, and even much beyond that if we look for it. But anyway, it is a losing one. And as I feared, once I made that initial loss, I should have exited my position and do not take any trade. But I took the second trade. That was also in a losing one. Again, I tried to cash many trades, and around 13 trades I took today. So this is the only mistake which I'm making, because that winning streak has been lost in today's trade, because almost I think around 6 to 7 days I was in a winning streak and was making and sticking onto the strategy in a very well way. But today was a losing one. Uh, Actually, it was a winning one, but I somehow missed out due to not having that concentration, as well as doing a trade between both. So that was a mistake which I made. Anyway, no issue. I learned from it. But anyway, I closed the day with a loss of around 7,000. So no issue. In the next coming days, I'll try to come back. So that's it from my side. Thank you.